Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be showcasing 7 important tips to make your tomato plant grow. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Today we're going to go through the main things that actually affect how well your tomato plants grow. If you get these right, you'll avoid most beginner mistakes, and your plants will develop faster, stronger, and produce better over time. Tip 1. Start with proper soil. Before anything else, soil quality matters. Tomatoes grow best in loose, well-draining soil. If the soil is too compact, roots struggle to expand and growth slows down. If it holds too much water, roots can rot. You want soil that drains well but still holds some moisture. Adding organic matter like compost helps improve both drainage and nutrient availability. If you're growing in containers, use a good potting mix instead of garden soil. Garden soil in pots tends to compact and drain poorly. Even with good watering and sunlight, poor soil will limit growth. So this is something to get right early. Tip 2. Build a strong root system early. Tomatoes can grow roots along their stems, and this is one of their biggest advantages. Every time you transplant, plant them deeper than before. You can bury part of the stem, even up to the first leaves. That buried section will grow new roots. This leads to a larger root system, which means better access to water and nutrients. Plants with stronger roots grow faster, handle stress better, and are more stable as they get bigger. This is one of the simplest ways to improve growth without adding anything extra. Tip 3. Give enough light and space. Tomatoes need strong, direct sunlight. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily. Without enough light, plants become weak and stretched, and growth slows down. Spacing also matters. If plants are too close together, they compete for light, and airflow becomes limited. Poor airflow increases the risk of disease and slows development. Whether you're planting in the ground or in containers, give each plant enough room to grow without crowding. Light and space work together. If either one is limited, growth will suffer. Tip 4. Keep watering consistent. Watering is one of the most common issues. Tomatoes don't respond well to inconsistent watering. Letting the soil dry out completely and then soaking it stresses the plant. Instead, aim for steady moisture. Check the soil regularly. If the top layer is starting to dry out, water the plant. If it's still moist, wait. Also, water at the base of the plant, not on the leaves. Wet leaves can lead to fungal problems, especially in warm conditions. Consistent watering supports steady growth and helps avoid common problems later on. Tip 5. Manage growth and structure. As tomato plants grow, they need support and basic maintenance. Add a stake, cage, or support early. This keeps the plant upright and prevents the stem from bending or breaking. Remove lower leaves that are touching or close to the soil. This helps reduce the risk of pests and disease. Tomatoes also produce side shoots. You can remove some of these, especially for indeterminate varieties, to improve airflow and keep the plant manageable. Avoid over-pruning. The goal is to keep the plant open and organized, not stripped down. A well-supported and well-managed plant grows more efficiently and stays healthier. Tip 6. Control when the plant starts fruiting. Tomato plants may start producing flowers early, even when they're still small. If the plant hasn't developed enough leaves and roots yet, remove those early flowers. This allows the plant to focus on growing stronger first. Once the plant is larger and established, you can let it flower and produce fruit normally. This helps improve overall yield instead of getting small, early fruit from a weak plant. Tip 7. Feed the plant when needed. Tomatoes need nutrients, especially as they grow and start producing fruit. If your soil is well prepared, You may not need much at the start, but as the plant gets bigger, adding a balanced fertilizer can help maintain steady growth. Avoid overfeeding, especially with high nitrogen fertilizers. Too much nitrogen leads to a lot of leaves but fewer fruits. Feed moderately and observe the plant. Healthy growth is the goal, not rapid, forced growth. Final thoughts. Tomato plants grow well when the basics are done right. Focus on good soil, strong roots, enough light, proper spacing, consistent watering, and simple maintenance. Avoid overcomplicating things. Most problems come from poor soil, lack of light, or inconsistent care. If you stay consistent and keep the plant in good condition, it will grow and produce the way it's supposed to. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 7 important tips to make your tomato plant grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!